Hey you all, I'm exploring a new restaurant. The menu here is a little different. It's branched like a tree. Food is divided into types like appetizers, main course and desserts. Appetizers further have starters and soups. Main course has gravy and rice items, and desserts have ice creams, brownies and waffles. It's a very innovative way of breaking things down. Just like the menu tree in mathematics, we can prime factorize a number by making a factor tree. But what is prime factorization? Expressing a number as a product of prime numbers only is known as prime factorization. And how does a factor tree help me do this? A factor tree is a structure in which a number steadily branches out into its prime factors. Let's draw the factor tree for the number 54. The aim is to keep splitting the number until we finally get all splits as prime numbers. Keep the number 54 at the top, branch out 54 into any of its factor pair. Let me take the factor pairs 2 and 27. Of this pair, 2 is a prime number and cannot be split further. Hence, we circle it so that we remember that we don't have to worry about it anymore. But 27 can be split further, and therefore we split 27 into its factor pair 3 and 9. 3 is a prime number, so we circle it and continue branching 9 into its factor pairs 3 and 3. Now we have all the prime numbers at the end. We can represent 54 as the product of all the circled prime numbers. So 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This was one method of prime factorization. Now let's learn another method of prime factorization. It's known as the division method. In this method, we find all the prime factors of a number by repetitive division. First, we'll divide the number by the smallest prime number, which divides the number exactly, and write the quotient in the following row. Here 2 is such a prime number and we get the quotient as 27. Then we'll divide the quotient that we got, 27, by the smallest possible prime number, which divides it exactly. Here 3 is the smallest prime number that divides 27 to give 9. We repeat the process again until the quotient becomes 1. Remember, we use only prime numbers to divide. Finally, we multiply all the prime factors, and you will find that the product is the number itself. Now you practice prime factorization by factor tree and division method while I order some food.